Hi, I'm Matthew Abel with another Marijuana Minute. On Wednesday this week, September 14th, the Cannabis Regulatory Agency is holding one of their quarterly meetings as they're required by law. The meetings have gotten to be mostly just statistics and not so interesting. And so the department has created issues that they wish to discuss and that they're interested in feedback. So the questions that the department posed for the sake of discussion are, would you support a change in the law to place a moratorium on the issuance of grow licenses? Do we support stopping issuing new grow licenses? I don't support that at all. I think the market may be saturated temporarily right now by virtue of there's a lot of product out there without a place to go. But what we need to do is not limit the amount of product, but create more places for that product to be sold. The second question, should the agency eliminate the excess grower license? The excess grower license was something that was created by the agency to allow companies which had already maxed out on their allowable limit of 5 2,000 plant licenses to be able to get more. In my opinion, those excess grower licenses never should have been allowed in the first place. And yes, they should be stopped. We should not be issuing excess grower licenses while also talking about whether there's a glut of supply, and perhaps we should stop issuing grow licenses altogether. The third question, should the agency promulgate a rule that would authorize an individual to hold an interest in more than 5 growers or in more than one marijuana micro business? Now, the micro businesses were deliberately designed for a small business entity to be able to own kind of a mom and pop shop. If we allow more than one micro business license, we're just going to see that expand into corporate America, which is exactly antithetical to what we had envisioned in the first place. Here's some other comments I have about this subject. First of all, feel free to attend the hearing on September 14th. It starts at 9:30 in the morning at the Cannabis Regulatory Agency in Lansing, Michigan. Otherwise, you can appear by Zoom. The link to the CRA meeting is in the description to this video. I encourage everyone to appear either in person or by Zoom and make comment at the public comment period. Tell the state Cannabis Regulatory Agency that the problem with the glut will not be solved by limiting growing. The problem is there are not enough stores. We need people to speak up and speak out and figure out a way to get more municipalities to allow cannabis retailers in Michigan. This is Matthew Abel with another Marijuana Minute. I encourage you all to speak up on Wednesday. Thank you. And if you want help in obtaining a cannabis license or encouraging your community to pass an ordinance, come to us, Cannabis Counsel, America's first cannabis law firm.